Hi guys, welcome to my channel Tech Must Try. So in this video, I am going to unbox this. So this is a drone. Actually here they gave a color ball, but this is a mini drone. So quickly let's unbox this. So here we can see we should always play this at home, and about signals they give, and long battery life and colors. So here they give 14 plus. So I am 14 plus. Now I can play with this. Here they give how to catch this operation. So let's unbox this. Okay, so this is a small drone. I think this is less weight. So let's play with this. Here they gave a sensor, and here charging cable. This is a button to on and off it, and here this is a light. Here you can see a battery over here, and some lights and a circuit board, and this is a charging cable for this drone. So this is the color ball drone. Now you saw the unboxing of this color ball drone. Now I will use this and I will play with this. So let's on this. When you are running, you should have to catch like this, not like this. Okay? Okay, I'll on it. This is the first time I am playing with this drone, so I don't have any experience with this. I think this battery life is low, so this is not flying so much high. So you saw how to play with this. Okay, so thanks for watching my video, and you can also subscribe my channel, and also you can follow me on Facebook, Instagram and YouTube.